Hey, art teachers.
Hi, my name is Eric Butters,
I'm Laura Gardner, an elementary art teacher in Indiana.
and for the past 8 years, I have taught kindergarten through 12th grade art in Maryland,
We're giving you art supply hacks for your classroom to run smoother.
and also make setup and cleanup that much easier.
Let's get started. Today's supply hack is about palettes.
It is not necessary to give the full range of colors.
You can make your own customized watercolor palettes. Maybe you have felt stuck using just the colors they give you.
Many times, it's best to give a limited range of colors.
Maybe you want to teach a certain color theory concept,
For example, just warm colors or cool colors,
or you want them to use the primary colors to mix their own secondary colors.
or perhaps a split complementary color scheme.
What I do is I take the lids off of the paint palette, and then with the refills that you can buy whatever colors that you need and glue them right onto the plastic lid, and there you have your own customized watercolor palette. I've made warm colored ones, cool colored ones, and I really like having the primary colors in there. I do this with kindergarten, and they learn how to color mix their own secondary colors by just using the primary colors.
This not only forces students to try color mixtures that they may not have otherwise thought to do,
It's less tempting for them to touch all the other colors if they only have the primary colors. This would even be great if you don't have enough regular palettes to go around for everybody. Buying one palette and then having some refills, you get 2 palettes out of it. If you have more hacks you want to share with us, make sure that you use the comment section below, and we would love to continue the conversation. Make sure that you like and subscribe to The Art of Ed so you can get more videos just like these. Bye.